I'm Kelly Rohrbach, and we are here in downtown LA at the Staples Center at the first ever SlowMo Marathon. Well, this is a perfect event just because, you know, it's playing off the theme, not theme, but one of the main activities, if you will, in the film, which is our slow-mo running. The movie is just, like, I call it like summer in a bottle. It's super funny, and it's hot, and it's sexy, and it's, you know, a little bit sassy. We had a great time, and it was one of the, you know, most fun movies to shoot that I think I'll ever experience.